Hello guys, I don't do the review thing occasionally, but I thought in this instance I should make it an exception. This is HP Spectre X360, and the problem many, as far as I've seen on the internet, are having a problem with the crackling and popping and hissing noise coming out, especially when the um, music is played or YouTube videos or songs or even notification sounds. Just to demo here a little bit. Now on the left side you can see my Skype is on, and I just try to type a message. Let's say hello, and I try to just erase it using the backspace key on the keyboard. Now when I do it, it just makes a crackle um, and popping sound if I keep doing it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's coming from the speaker. Can you hear the sound? This popping sound. And it's only coming just because I was erasing a message, which I would type here. It could be anything really, you know. And then I hit the backspace and see what happens. Can you hear this? This popping sound. And the hissing is coming from the right speaker and the left speaker both. But unfortunately my phone is unable to capture that sound. Hope that demo helps.